The rimyongsu Falls is in the rimyongsu Valley of Samjeon City, Yangon Province of Korea. It has 9 main watercourses with numerous cascades between them. The water under the ground comes out from the cracks in basalt, so there is no change in the volume of water and temperature of the falls in all seasons. The falls present wonderful scenes in 4 seasons. Of them, its scene in winter is very conspicuous. The water temperature of the falls is at least 4 degrees centigrade even in cold winter. Such water meets with cold air to make fog, changing this area into a forest of beautiful frost flowers. The first frost flowers are formed between late November and early December every year. They remain all day long and all through the winter. The rimyongsu Falls has been designated and protected as a natural monument in the Democratic People's Republic of Korea.